Chapter 6, Fractions, Decimals and Percentages. And we'll start with finding equivalent fractions and simplifying fractions. Example 1 and example 2. Pause the video and give them a go yourself. Example 1, we have to fill in the missing number. The 3 in the numerator goes to 24, so it's been multiplied by 8. And if we're going to write an equivalent fraction, we have to multiply the denominator by 8 as well. So 5 times by 8 gives us 40. Simplify 72 divided by 96. To do that, you can do it in quite a few stages, or you could do it in one stage. If you divide the numerator and denominator by the highest common factor, it'll simplify it in one go. If you can't spot that number, just keep it simple. Divide through by a number you're more comfortable with. So for example, I can see that they both end in an even number, so I could divide them both by 2. So 72 divided by 2 is 36. 96 divided by 2 is 48. And I can stick with that pattern, or I can see maybe a bigger number that goes into both. I can see 6 goes into those, because they're both in the 6 times tables. 6 6s are 36, and 6 8s are 48. And then finally, I can see 2 goes into those both, so divide numerator and denominator by 2. So if we review that, we divided by 2, then divided by 6, and then divided by 2 again. So that gives you 2, 4, 24. If you divided by 24, that would have got you straight there in one